Embracing the charm of handcrafted decor in our homes offers a unique blend of artistry and functionality. Woodworking, in particular, stands out as a craft that marries aesthetic appeal with practical utility. The beauty of handcrafted wooden items lies not just in their visual appeal but also in the stories they tell and the warmth they bring to a space. As we navigate through modern life, where mass production often dominates, the allure of handcrafted decor offers a refreshing alternative that fosters a deeper connection to our living environments. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of handcrafted decor woodworking ideas applied to practical life. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking is an ancient craft that has evolved over centuries, yet its fundamental principles remain rooted in creativity and skill. The act of transforming raw wood into functional pieces allows artisans to express their creativity while also providing valuable items that enhance everyday life. Each handcrafted piece carries the fingerprints of its maker, adding a layer of uniqueness and character that is often lacking in factory-made products. This individuality resonates deeply with those seeking to create spaces that reflect their personal style and values. One of the most compelling aspects of handcrafted wooden decor is its ability to evoke a sense of nostalgia. Many people have fond memories associated with wooden furniture or decor items, whether it's a family heirloom passed down through generations or a simple wooden toy from childhood. These connections create emotional resonance, transforming an ordinary object into a cherished item that holds significance. By incorporating handcrafted wooden decor into our homes, we invite these feelings of warmth and familiarity into our spaces, enriching our daily experiences. Moreover, handcrafted wooden decor often showcases the natural beauty of the material itself. Wood, with its varying grains, textures, and colors, is inherently beautiful and lends itself well to artistic expression. Artisans often highlight these natural characteristics, allowing the wood's unique features to shine. Whether it's the intricate patterns of oak or the rich hues of walnut, each piece becomes a celebration of nature's artistry. This attention to detail elevates the decor, making it not only functional but also a work of art that enhances the overall aesthetic of a room. In practical terms, woodworking ideas can be seamlessly integrated into various aspects of daily life. For instance, handmade wooden shelves can transform a cluttered space into an organized haven. These shelves not only provide storage solutions, but also serve as platforms to showcase personal treasures, plants, or books. The warmth of wood adds an inviting touch to any room, making it feel more lived in and cozy. By using handcrafted shelves, individuals can create a personalized environment that reflects their tastes while optimizing functionality. Another practical application of woodworking is seen in kitchen decor. Handcrafted wooden cutting boards, utensils, and serving trays not only enhance the cooking experience, but also add beauty to the kitchen. The tactile nature of wood makes it a joy to work with, while its durability ensures longevity. A well-made wooden cutting board can become a centerpiece during gatherings, showcasing both culinary skills and aesthetic appeal. This blend of beauty and utility exemplifies how woodworking can elevate everyday tasks, making them more enjoyable and meaningful. In addition to the kitchen, handcrafted wooden furniture plays a vital role in defining the character of a living space. A beautifully crafted dining table can become the heart of the home, where family meals and gatherings take place. The craftsmanship involved in creating such a piece reflects a commitment to quality and detail, resulting in furniture that not only serves a purpose, but also tells a story. The act of gathering around a handcrafted table fosters connection, creating memorable moments that linger long after the meal is over. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the incorporation of wooden decor into outdoor spaces can enhance the overall experience of nature. Handcrafted wooden benches, planters, and garden accents provide both functionality and charm, inviting individuals to spend more time outdoors. These pieces can blend seamlessly within natural surroundings, creating a harmonious environment that encourages relaxation and connection with nature. By embracing handcrafted wooden decor in outdoor settings, we extend the beauty of our living spaces into the natural world, enriching our lives in the process. The act of woodworking also encourages a sense of mindfulness and intentionality. In a world often characterized by haste and distraction, engaging in the slow, deliberate process of crafting with wood can be grounding. Whether one is creating a simple shelf or an intricate piece of furniture, the focus required during woodworking fosters a connection to the present moment. This mindfulness extends beyond the workshop, influencing how individuals interact with their living spaces. As they incorporate handcrafted pieces into their homes, they cultivate an environment that reflects their values and aspirations, creating a sanctuary that nurtures well-being. Furthermore, the growing interest in sustainability aligns beautifully with the principles of handcrafted woodworking. As consumers become increasingly aware of the environmental impact of mass production, the appeal of handmade, locally sourced wooden decor rises. By choosing handcrafted items, individuals support artisans and sustainable practices, promoting a more ethical approach to consumption. This conscious decision-making fosters a deeper appreciation for the materials and the craftsmanship involved in creating each piece, reinforcing the connection between the maker and the user. Handcrafted wooden decor also encourages creativity and self-expression. For those who engage in woodworking as a hobby, the process becomes a form of artistic exploration. Each project presents an opportunity to experiment with design, technique, and finishes, allowing individuals to develop their skills while creating unique pieces. This creative outlet not only provides a sense of accomplishment, but also nurtures a passion for craftsmanship that can be shared with others. The act of creating becomes a joyful experience, enriching the maker's life and contributing to a vibrant community of artisans. In embracing the charm of handcrafted decor, particularly through woodworking, offers a fulfilling and enriching experience that enhances our everyday lives. The unique beauty, emotional resonance, and practical applications of handcrafted wooden items create a distinctive atmosphere in our homes. As we navigate modern living, the importance of personal connection to our surroundings grows, and handcrafted decor provides a meaningful way to cultivate that connection. By integrating woodworking ideas into practical aspects of life, we not only enhance our spaces, but also celebrate the artistry and craftsmanship that define our personal tastes. This journey into the world of handcrafted decor invites us to slow down, appreciate the beauty around us, and create spaces that truly reflect who we are. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handcrafted decor woodworking ideas applied to practical life. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.